Hello everyone. As you might have guessed today from the title, which hopefully will be informative, today we have another package from Amazon. Let's take a look. What's this? This doesn't look like a ball. Okay, let's see. This is what I bought. What the hell is this? Audio video processor? VGA, SDR, what the hell? This is now the box I okay. It was really cheap, so you get what you pay for, I guess. Okay, let's see. This comes in the box. Yeah. The actual device itself, we're gonna take a look at that now. Come here, like this. I'm gonna take a look at this right now. Put this away. Two USB 2 cables. Okay. A power supply. The barrel. We're gonna take a look at this. And this is the remote. Remote control switch. Okay, let's start with the device itself. I was looking for this. You see in another video the actual installation, but why I wanted this, and this one was really cheap. This one was like 32 quid. So well, I guess I can give it a try. The reviews went very good, so but I took a risk because given it was really cheap. Okay, 30 quid, 35 around that. No more, no. Okay, let's take a look. This is the switch. 1, 2. You have 3 USB connectors, which is good. Nice. We can. For now, I need only a keyboard and a mouse, and maybe something else. I don't know. Maybe I can use it for charging. Slow charge, but maybe. Audio. This can be interesting, I guess. This is a connector for the remote switch that we're going to look afterward. This is for to connect the PC to the thing, to the switch. This would be the USB in, and this USB out to connect the keyboard and whatever you're going to connect. Okay, it doesn't feel cheap. I mean, it's aluminum, so feels cold. It's a bit heavy, like Boris the Blades would say. Feel weight. Weight is sign of reliability. Guess it's not too big, which is good in some way. I don't want it to take much space. I probably want to hide it beneath the desk or somewhere else, which is good. It's small. On the other side, you have two HDMI in and one HDMI out, and two DisplayPort in and one DisplayPort out. So basically you connect from your computer, from one computer here, from the other here, and then you take this one to the monitor, same. You connect one computer here, the other here, hopefully in the same number, same index, and then you have the video route. Okay, let me see. Looks cute. Not gonna lie to you. Let me take a look from the outside. The other side. This will be the front side. In the downside, you got these rubber bands. Let's see. Seems to anti-slip. It doesn't seem to slip too much. Now let's take a look at the accessories. Oh, is this the power? Is it the power? This is the only place I see it. Okay, so apparently you connect this here and connect power here, and then you can it's got all the sticking place. You can stick this to any surface and then switch. Then switch in between, and then you have this to the power. Then you have this. Seems to be the power. Let's take a look. How much does it provide? 0.3 amp and 5 volts. 0.3 amps and 5 volts. I wonder if this can work with USB. Maybe can be powered from here? It's a good question. We probably gonna find out in the future video when I install it. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely for power. Over 1 meter, maybe. It doesn't say how long, but it is over 1 meter. That's definitely. Okay, and now we have the PC connector, the connector from the PC to the and this is the connector that goes to the, and the other one is the same. that will be it. I will definitely create another one and try another video when I'm installing, because this is going to be interesting. For now, we're gonna need some few cables, I guess. We need 2, 3 DisplayPort, HDMI, and 1, 2, and 3 DisplayPort. Just an addendum to show you the cables line. This is the switch one. It's like 1.5 meter, maybe. This is the USB one. It's like maybe 1 meter, around that. The power cable. You see here, the power cable is let's say like around 1.5 meter, maybe, give or take. I don't have a ruler here. It's approximate. See, this is just folded. Give or take 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter, maybe 1 meter. Yeah, that's it. Cheers.